Hello everyone, and welcome to Northeast Mississippi Community College. My name is Luann Ford, and my husband, Ricky Ford, is the president here at Northeast. And we are so glad that you've tuned in to watch Food with the First Lady. This is one of the installments that we began last year, cooking various nutritious foods that we can enjoy, families can enjoy together. I'm here on the campus of Northeast Mississippi Community College at the Nutrition Center, where we try to provide cooking videos, cooking classes for people to know how to eat more nutritiously. Yoga is also offered here. We're all about fitness at Northeast. In fact, you can log on to see all of the videos that we do here and other exercise videos at the Northeast Mississippi Community College Fitness Facebook page. You can access them there or through the Northeast Mississippi Community College YouTube channel. All of those will be available there. But today's installment is filmed in January, early February, and it's cold outside. Here in Northeast Mississippi, it's in the 30-degree range, and we're feeling like we really want to warm up a little bit. So in the videos that you can access after this, there will be a three video installment of these three soups that I have prepared, and I'm going to give you the recipes for three great soups that we have around our house and that I share when we go have various events at Northeast. The first one here is our taco soup. The taco soup will be made in a crock pot. This is a soup that you can put on in the morning and turn it on and eat it at night. The second soup we'll be showing is a potato soup. The potato soup is an old-fashioned potato soup, very healthy, and you'll want to make sure that you tune in to see the potato soup recipe. The third soup recipe is our creamy chicken noodle soup, and I think the title of it is Comforting Chicken Noodle Soup, and it certainly is. It can also be made quickly as well. So these three soups will be coming up. You can access each one separately, and not only can you see them be made, we'll show you the finished product, and then we'll include the recipes. Thank you again for tuning into Northeast. We're just so happy that you are interested. You're welcome to come to Northeast at any time, visit our campus, take some of our classes. We're here to serve you. Please let us know how we can help.